Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 30, 2024 to January 5, 2025. Ayan, so if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. And thank you sa lahat, no? Special thanks sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Thank you for your support. It helps a lot, no, sa channel na to na mas mag-grow pa. Thank you. Okay, let's see Cancer, what's up with you this week? Salubong sa bagong taon, 'di ba? Oh, flexible. Come to the edge. Okay, I think you're going to push yourself out of your comfort zone. Yung mga bagay na hindi mo ginagawa before, gagawin mo na ngayon. Also have mending. So, I think mas magiging experimental ka starting this week. I think yan yung mga changes na gusto mong gawin sa sarili mo, na mas maging matapang, no? Risk taker, especially ngayong magtatapos yung taon. Like, you want to set your mindset. Gusto mo i-set yung mindset. Gusto mo magkaroon ng mindset na mas matapang, mas adaptable, flexible, maraming kayang gawin. So, you're going to take some risks. And I think, mas dadagdagan mo rin yung abilities mo, talents mo, skill set mo. You are going to improve yourself, yung mga capabilities mo. Siyempre, the more na marami kang kayang gawin, the more na opportunities yung darating sa'yo. You're also healing. You're healing from your past hurt, past situation, painful experiences. Dahil gusto mong salubungin ng 2025 ng magaan ang iyong kalooban, no? Wala na yung puot, wala na yung sama ng loob. So, whether kahit na walang humingi ng tawad sa'yo, patatawarin mo yung taong yon na meron kang sama ng loob. Kasi gusto mo, pagpasok ng 2025, ikaw ay maginhawa ang pakiramdam. Kumbaga, you want to start fresh. Let's see what else, Cancer. Oh, the Three of Swords. Oh, I think yan yung, you're going to mend this broken heart. Page of Cups. Part ng healing mo is doing some activities na you are passionate about. Kumbaga, lilibangin mo yung iyong sarili. Let's say, you are going through a breakup or a separation or a difficult situation sa buhay mo. Lilibangin mo yung sarili mo. You will do some creative things. So, it's either meron kang libangan na, let's say, may ginagawa ka, or something related to sports, na mas nagiging active ka, kumikilos ka, nagpapawis, ganyan. Like, pagja-jogging, or you're getting yourself into sports, or into arts, into music. Okay, so different ways to cope and to heal. Okay. Also have the Two of Cups, the Tower, the Strength card. Oh, okay. Yung iba sa inyo, maari kasing meron ditong breakup or separation with someone na naging malaking parte ng buhay mo. This can be a family member, a romantic partner na matagal kayo ng partner mo na to. And for you, may mga bagay kasi na hindi ka na kontrolado. And I think, with the Justice card, pinag-isipan mo na to na na-realize mo na may mga bagay na kailangang matapos para magsimula ulit. And from there, dun mo makikita kung gaano ka kalakas. Oo. Hindi na kasi natin yan, mapipigilan. Meron taong i-disappoint tayo along our way, no? Along the way. Ang importante dyan is kung paano ka mag-bounce back, paano mo patatawarin yung tao, paano mo patatawarin yung sarili mo, at paano ka mag-move on. You have the Ten of Cups. Yes. I think, whatever is left sa'yo, kung ano yung mga natira sa'yo, na meron ka, na pwede mong pagkunan ng happiness, pagkunan ng contentment, fulfillment sa buhay, yun yung i-cherish mo. With the Six of Wands, I see success in you. In the future, sa mga ipupursu mo na bagay, na in alignment of your destiny, of your interests. Let's see what else. 'Di ba? Unending enduring. Yes, you are awakening. Nare-realize mo na hindi natatapos sa isang problema ang pag-ikot ng buhay. Oo. It's just part of the cycle, or it's just part of the process or the journey na meron ka. Ano tong within a few days. Within a few days, iko-commit mo yung sarili mo sa isang project or sa isang goal na kung saan mas magiging focus ka, magiging determinado ka na makuha yan, no? More structure. Although may mga blockages dito, may mga challenges, it's not going to be easy para sa'yo, but you have the strength, no, to resist or to withstand, or kaya mong i-handle yan. Maaring merong mga taong, like will try na pigilan ka sa mga gagawin mong changes, or parang someone na isabotahe ka, but lagi mong tatandaan, hindi ikaw yung sasabotahe sa sarili mo. Kasi may tendency na mag-self-sabotage ka. So, paano na yon? Sino na yung kakampi mo? 'Di ba? Dapat yung kakampi mo, sarili mo. Yun yung hindi mo dapat pababayaan. Let's see your money, career, finances. Team player. So, meron kang, maaring magiging part ka ng isang grupo, ng isang like a team wherein meron kayong parehong goal sa finances, sa career nyo, sa business. You are also healing financially. Maaring meron kang mga unhealthy habits pagdating sa pera na naaayos mo na. Meron ka na acknowledgement na hindi yun healthy for you to do. So now, you are fixing things. May inaayos ka. Okay, sa relationship, may wedding. Oh my God! Oh my God! Cancer. Something is ending. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, if you are married, tapos you have experienced heartbreak, separation with someone, maaring ito na yung tutuldukan mo ngayong 2024. At i-welcome mo yung 2025 na may panibagong simula, mas matapang, mas malakas na version mo. Of course, hindi naman yung mag-resonate para sa lahat. But for some of you, dun mo makikita kung gaano ka katapang no? Paano ka mag-heal. Focus, yes. This is very important. If you focus on what you don't want, there's a good chance you might get it. Focus on what you do want instead. Yes. Focus ka sa gusto mo. Kasi yun yung mamamanifest mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.